Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video I am really literally so excited about. Today I'll be trying on my very first headband wig. This wig is from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of their information, promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. So the wig that I received came packaged in this beautiful wig suitcase. It is a Yaki textured wig. It is 16 inches. It is a headband wig, and it is in a natural color black. On Myfirstwig's website, they do have their headband wigs featured. It's perfect for unplanned Zoom meetings, fitness days when you don't want to attach your wig to go to the gym, lazy days, girl time, and many more purposes, of course. You do not need any glue. There is no lace. It's a super natural look, and it is beginner and lazy girl friendly. So the construction of this wig, it is a headband wig, of course, so it does have a headband that's sewn around the wig cap. It does come with Velcro for you to adjust the fit at the end of the headband, and the headband basically acts as a base for another headband if you want to change up your look. I did also receive a wig cap, flyaway tamer, bobby pins, a comb, a baby hair brush, as well as hair clips. The headbands that I'll be trying on today are in the colors Nude, Ginger, and Aloha. This is literally going to be a 10-second wig throw-on challenge, and I want it to look as natural as possible. I want it to look like it's my hair that I just have a headband on, and my natural hair may be peeking through the front. My natural hair is jet black, so I'm going to have to dye this hair jet black just so that it can, you know, mimic what I got going on underneath this wig cap. So I'm just going to grab a hair dye from Dark and Lovely in the color jet black. I'm going to dye this hair darker, and then I am going to just flat iron through it just to make sure that it has, you know, that sleek little look, because we about to put this challenge together and it's just going to be great. So let's get started. I want to make sure that I do this video 2 different ways so that you guys can see how it looks with your leave out in the front with your hairline exposed and without your hairline exposed. And 9 times out of 10 my hair is in cornrows anyway. I don't have my natural hair out on a normal day-to-day, and since my hair is in cornrows, I feel like this wig would be so perfect for me, because all I would have to do is just have a little bit of baby hair where my edges are, because my cornrows do get old pretty quick and my hairline is out. So all I would have to do is just basically just do some quick little baby hairs, put the wig on, and I am good to go. I have like a whole look without having to glue tape or gel a wig down. Okay, so I'm going to start my phone timer in a few seconds, but I do want to just talk you through it if you are a beginner and you don't know how, you know, what to do first. Basically, I'm going to secure the 3 combs onto my hairline or onto my hair, and the comb in the back, and then I am just going to adjust the Velcro, and hopefully that'll be 10 seconds or less, but we're about to see. I'm about to set a timer. Okay, here it is. That's 10 seconds. That's 10 seconds. All right, it's on. She's on. She is on. And my hairline is not exposed. So from here, I have the option of moving the wig back if I want to and adding baby hairs, you know, or I can leave it to the front. I know there are a lot of cute 60s hairstyles that have headbands, and you can do a lot of different hairstyles with it. I would like to see in the future, to be honest with you guys, I would like to see something that has a full lace, so that if I want to do like 2 buns at the top, I can do that. If I want to do a half up, half down hairstyle, I can do that if it was full lace. I want to see more color variety. I want to see like streaks. If someone's hair is red, I want to see different, you know, hair color selections. I feel like that's super important. I also want to see like short bobs, because I think short bobs are super cute, of course, for the summer and the fall. And if you have like a headband over it, that's such a look. I've been seeing a lot of bobs lately, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like they had those beaded headbands on it, or like a really cute padded headband that would just take it up so many notches. So yes, I want to see different lengths. I want to see different curl patterns. I want to see like kinky, curly type of options in the future, because if my natural hair is kinky curly and I want it to match my hairline, I would obviously want a kinky curly headband wig, right? So that it can look like my hair, right? This is supposed to be able to get into a high bun. I'm definitely going to try that out in a second. But one thing that I really like about headband wigs is the fact that if you got a kitchen in the back, girl, or if your hair ain't the same color in the back, or whatever the case is, your hair is a different texture in the back than the wig, I like the fact that the headband covers that. Now I just gotta figure out what type of look I'm going for, cause this reminds me of like the 80s when I'm about to go to the gym. That's what this is giving me now, like gym time in the 80s. So I'm gonna try to figure out what style we going for today. But I mean, if I wanted to just wear it down, this would be the look. I'm gonna try to just do some baby hairs in the front, and I'll come back and we're gonna try to do like a high bun or a ponytail. So here we are with the low ponytail and the low bun, and then we're going to do the high ponytail and the high bun. So I like it. I love this. This is literally so convenient. Like if convenience was a wig, it would be this for sure. Okay, so now I'm going to try the high ponytail and the high bun. Should I switch my headscarf? Yeah, let me switch my headscarf for that one. Well, this one is easier. This one has that little knot in the front. The other one didn't have that. So all I would have to do for this is put it over my head, take the wig out of the back, and then just put it over the headband. All right, let's attempt to do this high ponytail. Get my comb. One more thing that I would probably do to this wig too is in the back where the headband is, I would probably cut shorter hairs there so that it can look like baby hairs coming through the headband. And that also helps too if the wig is not your hair texture or your hair color. You can just cut shorter hairs where the headband is in the back, and that will make it look a lot more natural because it will look like that's your baby hairs coming through. Okay, so now I'm going to mess with my leave out, and I'm going to try to see if I can take this wig from day to night. Basically, I'm going to see if it can be dressed up and if it's dressy enough to pass for like a dinner date or something like that. Or if it's too hot outside, you got to go to lunch, but you still want to look cute. Let's put that to the test. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your questions and comments down below in the comment section. Let's chat down there about your favorite hairstyle and which was your favorite headband and how would you wear this wig if you had it. Let's chat down below in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information and direct links to this hair down below in the description box, so don't forget to check down below for more information. Can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.